Good morning, this is Jack from Charting the Markets Crypto, and this is the Premarket webinar for the morning of Friday, the 23rd of January. My disclaimer, do this for educational purposes only. I'm here to share my tactical analysis with you. I hope you can take some of what I'm doing, learn from it, transfer it to your own charts, and I'm not here to issue trading signals. This is a video for paying subscribers at ccmcrypto.substack.com, and it's published on YouTube after a delay of 3 days. All right, great. Let's have a look at the Bitcoin chart, where obviously we've got an obvious resistance level here at just over 100.5. I'm seeing currently no indication it's going to get that far. In terms of the daily charts, we are still holding. We were testing the 50 DMA as resistance yesterday. If we broke over that, we'd open up a possible test of the daily middle band at 92.75, but there's no sign of that happening either. And the 50 DMA has held as resistance so far. Looking at the hourly charts, we've got a very clear and very good quality rising wedge that should be a bear flag. We had a bearish overthrow and we have broken down. Now we might see a bit more of a rally before it continues down, but chances are, well, we've got an open target at a retest of this low here at 80.6 and a possible support level below if we continue lower into this big support level in the 74.4 area. Looking at Solana, been somewhat weaker on the daily charts. We made it back more or less to a test of the 50 DMA, which is very much holding. On the hourly chart, I'm expecting to see this could be just about BNI chest forming. I don't think it is. I think we're rejecting back into the retest of this low here at 116.85, and when we get there, I'm thinking we may well continue down into the head and shoulder target at the retest of 95.24. All right, looking at Ethereum. Ethereum has been pretty weak, and we've got on the daily chart, we had a backtest of the 50 DMA again. We had a failure again. No current positive divergence. In terms of the setup here, I was looking at this as a triangle, so it's A, B, C, D. Looking for a partial wave here. We may have already seen it. It's still possible we could, like say, retest this low and then rally a bit more, get back into the 31.64 area, but we could just continue down. If we are breaking down from this triangle, which we won't have done quite yet because we haven't gone below the last wave low, but if we are doing that, then I'd be leaning towards seeing 26.21 retest next, and I would be looking forward possible continuation down to the head and shoulder target, which is in the 2070 area. Now, I'm just wondering something. Sorry, I just need to draw something. All right, bear with me a moment. In terms of the, I've been drawing the triangle on the hourly chart on Ethereum, but actually, really, I should be drawing it here. I was wondering if there might have been a rally which also already broke it down, but no, this would be the one up to 3066. So we will see how it goes. But I think my lean is that these are going down, and chances are then that might actually fit with where I'm looking at equities. I was talking about that in a post this morning. Well, not the crypto side, but I was talking about the possibility we might be about to see more downside on equities, and if so, that would be a pretty good fit with this. All right, great. In that case, let's have a quick look at questions, of which we have none. In which case, everyone have a great weekend. I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Cheers.